Hi everyone, today we're here in Apache Junction checking out Blossom Rock. We are seeing Brookfield Residential's Mariposa community.
So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Josh Bryan.
And I'm Lindsay Bingham.
And we specialize in helping people just like you relocate to the Phoenix metro area. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. We would love to help you. Our contact number is right here on the bottom of the screen. Give us a call, shoot us a text, whatever's easier for you. But enough talking, let's start today's tour.
All right, we are here looking at the Solstice. This is part of the Mariposa collection here at Brookfield Residential out in Blossom Ranch. The Solstice is 2747 up to 2895 square feet. It can be 3 to 4 bedrooms and 3 to 4.5 bathrooms with a 3-car tandem garage. Starting price on this is $608. And they do have a spec of this one right now that's listed for $657,792. So let's just pan the front of this house so you can see it. And they do have overheight garages here. I don't know if Josh mentioned that in a previous video, but big enough to hold your SUVs and trucks, which is nice because we don't always see those. All right, let's head on in. Door magically opens. Thank you, sir. Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. All right, when you first walk in, you've got the view to your backyard from your nice wide hallway here, but we are going to head to the left and come around the corner. So they have done a multi-gen option here.
This replaces bedrooms 3 and 4.
Yes. So this would be your 3rd and 4th bedroom. You do have a door out to the front area there. I'm going to talk loud to get over the music.
And I'll warn you, they have several different types of music playing throughout the house, so it gets a little...
It's funky. a little funky. All right, and here we have the bedroom. Nice size bedroom with a queen size bed and a couple of nightstands.
Yeah, this is one of the bigger bedrooms I've seen in the multi-gen suites in a while.
Yes. And you have your closet there. And then coming around the corner here to your bathroom. Love that they did the tile all the way up to the ceiling. And the nice tall vanity here. And here's what Josh was talking about. So you have your multi-gen suite in lieu of the 3rd and 4th bedroom. So here we have bedroom number 2. This one has its own ensuite as well. Check out that funky tile.
Oh yeah.
That'll make your eyes hurt after a while looking at that. Of course, we have our shower here, toilet, and then the nice tall vanity again. You have your closet. There we go in this bedroom, big enough for, this is a full-size bed they have here with a couple of nightstands.
But definitely could fit a queen. You see a lot of spaces in between.
Yep. All right, so back here, so we're back at the front door. We're gonna cross over and head to the right of the front door. See, we have our coat closet here. Or flip-flop closet, as Josh calls it. And here you go out to your 3-car tandem garage, which it's locked for us, so we can't see it. But what they did here, in lieu of the tandem garage, they added another bedroom. Bedroom and a bathroom. So we are at bedroom number 3 right now. That we're looking at.
5 on the floor plan if you're looking, so it can get a little confusing if you get rid of 2 and 3, or 3
Correct.
and 4.
So nice roomy bedroom. This one could actually fit a king size bed if you wanted to because of the width for it. Oh, let there be light.
Yes.
There we go.
Nice size bedroom.
And then, of course, you have your bathroom with a tile all the way up to the ceiling. And we see this wood look tile again in the hexagon. We've seen this in a couple different models now. Let us know in the comments what you think. Is this growing on you?
I think I'm liking it.
Yeah, it's definitely, the more I'm staring at it, I'm getting like these in and out 3-dimensional.
Yeah, or
like it almost feels like not a Rubik's Cube, but
to me it reminds me of an old school parquet floor, but obviously a different shape.
Yeah.
But that color contrast.
Yep. It reminds me of an old Atari game.
Oh yeah. So a little modern old school if that's a thing.
Yeah. Bringing it back.
Yeah.
Going retro. So here they have a piece of furniture here. This would just be open, but you have your drop zone for when you come in from the garage. So good area for a piece of furniture there. Head back here. Now we're back to the main hallway, going again to the left. So here they did a powder room option. It could be just a large linen closet, but I definitely think the powder room is a good choice. Have that. So you've got your pedestal sink. We know how Josh feels about the pedestal sinks. Would be nice if they did a vanity. And then your laundry room. Oh, that's kind of cool. I know it's a model, but I like how they have this hanging hamper thing. It's different. The stuff you see in models. All right, and then coming back across the other end of the hall again, we have this flex space, which they have turned into a little office. It's not really big enough for it to be a dining room. It's kind of limited here. So an office is really what you do, and you could put in a couple double doors if you wanted to section that off and give some more privacy.
See, this is where we got a little country going on, get a little upbeat dance music going on. It's little.
The vibe is all over the place. All right, let's head over here. Check out, see they've got another little cut-in for a piece of furniture in the mirror. Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. All right, we'll head into the master. Good size master bedroom. Love the windows with the natural light here. So it's big enough for a king size bed, couple of nightstands, and you still have room on the side. And then you have room for your dresser, chairs, and you could do a cartwheel in there, which
you're dressed for it today.
I'm dressed for it today.
Are you going to do it?
I'm totally going to do it.
Here, let me hold this paper. Oh, you're going to sit them down. All right.
Okay.
Uh-oh. I might have to stop this video and edit this part out.
So, here, I'll go from this way.
Are you going to come at me? And just don't kick me.
So it's big enough for a cartwheel.
Woo! Maybe it's been a while.
I almost did a round off. It's been a while. I was almost ready to do a round off there. Woo! I'm turned up myself there. Okay, so headed here into the bathroom. Nice long double vanity here. Lots of counter space, which is nice. And then they did a super shower option with top to ceiling. Love the big transom window that they have there.
So needless to say, if you work with us, you'll have fun.
Yes. We like to keep it light. We like to keep it light. All right, and then we have our toilet closet here. And then your master closet with lots of long hang. Good size closet. Lindsay approved. You look good carrying my purse.
I'm glad you said that was your purse because You know, there's some people out there probably wondering right now.
Yeah. Oh no. You be proud.
Oh, I would be.
You be you.
Ah.
All right. So now we're crossing over here again. I'm going to talk loud because we got multiple different music and sensations happening here. So you're in your great room area. Good sized great room here. Room for a couple of big couches or a big sectional.
I'm gonna go stand on my side of the music over here.
Okay. Josh likes his country music. Love the windows that they have in the back. Lets a lot of natural light in, and you get that, again, that view from the front door, as you see, looking right out to your backyard, and your couch is there. Okay, and then we come right into the kitchen. Love the long cabinetry that they have here. Bunch of great space, so you have a nice long buffet, you can put stuff out. This is a great entertainer's area, just the space, how you've got like a nice mixing area for guests and the host. Nice big island here with seating for 4. We'll head out and check the pantry. Nice big pantry here. Wraps around on both sides. Love to see that. And then they did, again, the deluxe kitchen option here. Or, no, sorry,
No,
this is the
deluxe.
super,
No,
is this?
No, so the last video, I'm sure you've seen some of them, I was tripping over my words because they have a regular gourmet kitchen upgrade that had the microwave above the gas stove top. This is the deluxe gourmet where they do the range hood and then they put the microwave, which obviously, I was gonna try to fix this, I just didn't want it to fall, so I'm not even gonna touch it. But they did the microwave and the wall-mounted oven instead of a double oven.
Yep. Thank you for that explanation.
Yeah, I mean, it gets confusing.
Yep, lots of different, so safe to say that Brookfield has a lot of different options for you to configure these homes to really customize them for yourself. So if you like a home that you can give it a custom feel without the custom price, then this is for you. All right, and back here to the island, we've got our dishwasher, pull out trash, which is a very nice touch. And you've got your single bowl sink. And then huge dining area. They've got it seated for 8, but I swear this could fit a table for 10 if you needed it to. Love the windows looking out into the backyard. And then we're just gonna have to peek here. We're gonna respect their wishes, saying please keep the door closed. So we're not gonna be rebels and unlock it. But as you can see, they've got a nice pool back there. We've got a nice covered patio with a wall there so you can put the TV, so Josh is happy. But you can check this out. Big enough yard so you can have your pool, some seating area, and then as we know, they have the gas bib out there as well, so you can do a built-in grill if you would like. So let us know in the comments. Again, this is the Solstice, and we are at Blossom Rock.